Have you ever been sewing and you just know something's not going well, whether you hear it kind of grumbling at the needle foot, or you flip over your fabric and you have lots of loops on the back, maybe even get the symbol where the gears come up and say, something is not right. I'm going to show you a little trick, a quick tension test that you can do to check to see if you have threaded this machine correctly. Now, if that happens, I do recommend that you just take the bobbin out and make sure that no extra threads have been caught down in the bobbin area or underneath this throat plate. So just clear out anything that might have gotten caught and can be pulled out. Next, when you go to re-thread the machine, I'd like you to get in the habit of threading the machine more with your left hand. And watch what I'm going to do with my right hand. I'm going to kind of give it the resistance that we need. Now, right here during this first groove is actually where your tension discs close on the thread. And I'm going to show you how you can tell if the thread has gotten all the way down in the proper area when you go to sew. So make sure you come all the way down, and when you come up, do that little floss back and forth, like flossing your teeth, but you're seating the thread deep into the machine, right where it needs to go. So even if you just come all the way down, let's go ahead and finish threading the machine, because then you can really tell what I'm going to show you with the tension test. So I'm using my needle threader, thread my needle. If you haven't mastered that, do try to get that get comfortable with it, because it saves you a ton of time. If it's not lined up, have your local Bernina service center get it realigned for you. So this is the tension test I'm talking about. And oftentimes when people call on the phone to our store and they've had enough, so they've given us a call and they're describing these like hairy loops that are happening on their fabric and their machines are not happy, I have them do this test for me. So right now the presser foot is up, and you should find that pulling your thread should be very easy when it is correctly threaded, but the foot is up. The tension discs are open. As soon as you lower your presser foot, you will find that your tension discs close on the thread. And now watch, when I pull this, do you see that needle bending? That means everything has engaged correctly. That means that I have put the thread deep enough into those tension discs that when I start to sew, I will have the correct tension needed for that top thread. Now I do speak of the top thread because everybody sees the ugliness on the back of their fabric. So what do? They think it's the bobbin, and it's actually not. It's actually the top thread. Is it the machine's fault? Nope. It's actually an operator error's fault. So having that little trick of kind of flossing your thread deep into those tension discs, lowering your presser foot, even giving it a little tug, you can see if the machine is ready to stitch.